Okay, before we jump in, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also check off the bell notifications. That way you'll never miss any of the updates that we do weekly. Also, my contact information is in the description. The next most common question that we'll hear a lot of times is, how long does the probate process last? And it's a great question. It's got a lot of answers. Here's the definition given by the legal community. The duration of the process can vary depending on factors and the complexity of the estate, the presence of disputes or challenges, and the efficiency of the court system in the jurisdiction where the probate is going to be administered. In general, probate can take anywhere from a few months to several years to complete. However, it's important to note the time frame is a rough estimate and can vary significantly in individual cases. I can also tell you that depending on the disputes, for sure, whether they died intestate or testate, and also how good your attorney is. We have several attorneys we can recommend. Many attorneys that take on probate, they only do 1 or 2 a year. And while they're probably good, competent attorneys, doing only 1 probate a year is probably not enough practice to be efficient with the process. I would definitely want to check out the attorney. And that's a side note here. Now, in some jurisdictions, there may be simplified and expedited probate procedures for small estates or cases with straightforward circumstances. If it's a straightforward circumstances, then we might recommend an heirship affidavit process. More about that on future episodes, but that would be a process whereby you could almost completely skip out on probate. And also with small estates, another episode that we can do. But you should know that those do exist and may be appropriate for your case. The only way to know is just, check in with me. Let's talk about it and we'll figure it out. And then I can put you in touch with the right counsel that could make that happen for you. So we know that additionally, certain factors can contribute to delays in probate. High caseload in the court system, the need for extensive asset valuation, appraisal challenges, the validity involvement of multiple parties. If parties are not getting along, that can extend the probate process. And it's important to consult with your attorney and professionals experienced in probate matters for jurisdiction to be more accurate. The long and the short is, it depends. The question is, how long does it take? It depends. How do you get along? Did they die intestate? Testate, is it a small case? Can it be evaluated through and dealt with through heirship affidavit? And how complex is the case, and how much valuation is going to be needed? How much debt's involved? All those we can help you with, and certainly put you in the right touch and the right path to help. So hopefully that will help you understand a little bit about the process. Where it gets interesting and where it gets challenging is if you have an heir that has died without a will, and then it becomes a lot more complicated, and you're definitely going to need even more help there. Great to always talk about this issue. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me. Again, thanks for tuning in, and until next time.